Now, when we talk about the audit requirement, currently, there are company law regulations which are applicable to various entities, whether they are based out of free zones and mainland, which may require them to have the accounts audited, or otherwise, generally, there is no compulsory requirement for audit in the UAE. But once corporate tax comes in, the question that comes up is, because the tax calculation is based on the accounting records, is there a mandatory requirement for a company to get their accounts audited? In this respect, there are 2 points which are important. The first one being more important, which is that in respect of free zones, it is mandatory for them to get their accounts audited if they want to claim a 0% corporate tax rate. However, in respect of other companies, the relevant company law and other regulations would govern as to whether the audit is required or not, which basically is the current regulations. Now, if the regulations change and make audit compulsory for any of these entities, those are the regulations which are going to apply, but only if we have to talk about the tax laws, the way they are structured right now. Under the current tax laws, there is no requirement that there has to be a mandatory audit for entities other than the free zone companies who are claiming a mandatory 0% corporate tax rate.